we think Justin's newest product should be single-serving sunflower seeds.
We are RSL Team 7. My name is Dylan Epstein.
My name is Faisal Hajri.
My name is Mia Fischelli.
I'm Josh Cogan.
And I'm Grace Lacrosse. Justin's newest snack is tasty, healthy, and has natural quality ingredients. We are keeping it simple with snack-sized bags of sunflower seeds. It's an easy grab-and-go single-serving snack that is high in protein. We concluded that sunflower seeds are the best fit for Justin's, which can be seen through the 3 out of 4 bright green areas on this table. Sunflower seeds stand out due to their highly fragmented market and growth rate. This allows us to enter and compete effectively in this market. They also align perfectly with our brand as a convenient, healthy snack. They can be packaged in simple, easy packaging consistent with our existing product lineup. Sunflower seeds have the lowest payback period and highest IRR, indicating quick returns on investments. Finally, based on our current infrastructure, we can adapt without complex changes, making sunflower seeds a practical operational option. I will now pass it on to Mia to go more in depth on sunflower seeds market attractiveness.
Thanks, Grace. To start, we're going to prove that sunflower seeds are the best option for Justin's by looking at the market attractiveness of all 5 categories. This chart provides a market overview by comparing sales, growth rate, and competition levels across all of the different product categories. Market growth rate is represented by that blue dashed line, and it represents how fast each market is growing annually. The higher values indicate a greater demand and opportunity. Next, the total market sales is represented by the bar chart. This shows the overall market size in billions of dollars. Larger bars mean a bigger existing market. Lastly, the competitive landscape is represented by the bar colors. Green represents a fragmented market, meaning it's easy to enter and there are fewer dominant players. Orange represents a concentrated market, meaning that there are some dominant players and it's moderately difficult to enter that market. Last, red represents a highly concentrated market, meaning it's extremely hard to enter that market and there are strong competitive dominators. So after analyzing this chart, it's clear that chips have the largest market size at $25.4 billion and the highest growth rate at 9.9%. But the market is highly concentrated, indicated by that orange color, meaning big competitors dominate the market, making entry extremely difficult and unlikely. Toaster pastries and almond milk have moderate growth rates at 5.7% and 3.6%, but they are in concentrated or highly concentrated markets. Again, this means tougher competition and difficult entry. Honey does have a fragmented market, but its growth rate is very low at only 1.6%, making it a weak investment opportunity. Now that leaves us with sunflower seeds, which stands out with a solid 5.9% growth rate and a fragmented market, meaning high demand and low competition. This makes it a great opportunity. So why are sunflower seeds the best option for Justin's when it comes to market attractiveness? First, its strong growth rate. A 5.9% growth rate shows a lot of potential for increasing customer demand. Next, it's in a fragmented market. There's no dominant company, meaning easy entry into the market. This also offers low competition. With this, Justin's will be able to establish itself as a competitive player in the market pretty quickly. Lastly, they have a high opportunity to differentiate. There's a high opportunity for innovation in flavors and packaging that could help capture significant market shares. So after analyzing all of this, it's clear that sunflower seeds provide the best balance of growth and ease of entry, making them the strongest option for Justin's expansion. Next, I'm going to pass it off to Faisal, who's going to talk about brand fit.
Thank you, Mia. Moving on to brand fit, our team have a strong belief that sunflower seeds aligns best with Justin's business identity as a value-focused brand. The fragmented and value-based market allows for differentiation while reinforcing the brand's reputation for accessibility and quality. Honey also fits the Justin brand due to its accessibility and potential for penetration pricing. However, its limited scalability weakens its overall strategic fit. Toaster pastries and almond milk follow a premium pricing strategy, which conflicts with Justin's emphasis on value. Similarly, while chips are innovative, they require a skimming pricing strategy, which may drive away Justin's target audience, therefore making us believe that that sunflower seeds have a perfect brand fit, convenient and a healthy snack for single serving packets aligned with Justin's current product lineup. Now that I have outlined the reason behind our recommendation, now my colleague Dylan will dive into financial specifics.
Thank you, Faisal. Now looking at the financial attractiveness of each of the project categories, we projected out a 5-year income statement for each category and dialed in on 5 key metrics. Those are cumulative operating cash flows in year 5, cumulative net income margin, net present value or NPV, internal rate of return or IRR, and payback period. Starting with honey, it is evident that it is the least financially viable and most risky opportunity, performing the weakest across metrics, including payback period, IRR, NPV, and net income margin, as you can see by the red in that column. Therefore, it is not recommended. Although almond milk presents a mixed financial outlook with an NPV of approximately 5 million more than honey, indicating moderate long-term financial potential. However, it offers the second worst payback period and IRR, causing it to only appear to investors searching for long-term stability. In terms of relativity, toaster pastries are very balanced in that they rank in the middle of most metrics except for their relatively high net income margin, which provides some financial opportunity. Chips offers the strongest financial opportunity for maximizing overall profitability, as you can see with all the green in the chart, given its relatively low payback period, highest NPV of 30.53%, and high OCF. With all this said, while it doesn't have the strongest NPV with a value of $986,572 and operating cash flows in year 5 of $1,604,081, our choice, sunflower seeds, excels in having the lowest payback period and highest IRR, as you can see in the chart, indicating rapid return on investment. The low payback period of 2.5 years and high IRR of 58.98% makes it less risky, and it is highly profitable in the short run. Therefore, despite its drawbacks, sunflower seeds prioritizes a high ROI, making them an attractive option for Justin's when considered alongside the other strategic factors. I'll now pass it off to Josh to give an outlook on the operational feasibility of each product category.
Thank you, Dylan. Operations-wise, sunflower seeds is the best out of the new categories because it only requires sourcing of new materials, a small investment in packaging, and minor changes in processing. Along with that, the logistics and distribution already work for sunflower seeds. So now let's talk about how Justin's would make honey. It will require little processing, and the logistics and distribution work already. However, it will require large-scale sourcing of organic honey. Toaster pastries have the least operational feasibility, requiring new sourcing of materials, investment in packaging, new storage for frozen foods, flash freezer lines, and logistically, it would just be challenging and expensive. For almond milk, it will require sourcing of new materials, but the distribution and logistics should already work. However, to distribute, they will need new production technologies, equipment, and processes for the milk to be shelf stable. Lastly, for chips, it will require a lot more because they require sourcing materials, minor modifications of distribution, and the current logistics will work. But it requires major changes in production, which brings in many uncertainties, like how to provide nutritional value and the formulation of the chips. After learning about the pros and cons of all the new categories, I pass it off to Grace for the conclusion of our recommendation.
Thank you, Josh. In comparison to all the other products, sunflower seeds is the best fit as Justin's new product. Sunflower seeds are a fragmented market with room for lots of growth. It fits the brand with a simple, easily packaged healthy snack. They are financially the best with short-term profitability, and operationally, the only dramatic change would be the sourcing of the materials, as the packaging and distribution are similar to what is already in place. It is an easy grab-and-go snack that aligns with Justin's company's values and mission. Let's grow into a new market with sunflower seeds. Thank you.